Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdul Hanan and my friend Nur ALYA, ATIAH NAZIHAH, AIMAN SYAFIQAH, and FITRAH NAJIHAH will present about Netflix. Firstly, what is recommendation system? A recommendation system is a computer program that helps a user discover products and content by predicting the user's rating of each item and showing them the item that they would rate highly. Using machine learning, recommender system provide customers with suggestions through collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and hybrid with a combination of both. Such as Netflix is the one of recommender system for people to make a decision to watch any type of movie. It serves so many kind of movie. What is the recommender system? The recommender system will utilize the register user profile and opinion and habit of their whole community of user and compare the information to reference characteristics to present the recommendation. There are two types of recommender system function, which are characteristic information and user item interaction. Characteristic information is information about item like keyword and categories, and user like preference and profile. While the user item interaction is an information such as rating and number of purchase and like. There are two typical ways for building a recommendation system, which are collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering is a method of recommendation based on users' post behavior, while singular value decomposition is one way to handle the scalability and scarcity issue created collaborative filtering. The purpose of the recommender system: first is content discovery. The suggestion and personalization eliminate the boring part of content discovery and concentrate the user effort on consuming the content. Second, dynamic audience insight. The company will get valuable audience insight and make the whole operation even better fit for the target audience. Next, stronger user engagement and retention. A constant stream of adaptable suggestions allow to maintain the user interest consistency. Architecture of the recommender system or engine. The two key milestones of Netflix, which are Netflix Everywhere and Download and Go, have released and put an increased strength of the Play API that was, among other tasks, responsible for starting the streaming of content to customer. The remainder of the talk was divided into two sections and discussed the context of guiding principle related to the recent enhancement made to the monolithic API service in more details. The section includes the service identifier, which exploring why the service exists, and identify type 1 and type 2. Of the recommender system, Netflix or Netflix Corporation was created in 1937 by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph, who are American entrepreneurs, as a media streaming and video rental company. In Netflix catalog, there has 10,000 of movie titles they offer to subscribers. Billco's Chromatic Chaos won $1 million because improved Netflix recommended system by 10%. In 2007, Netflix started to offer customers the option to stream movies and television shows directly to their home through the internet. Now Netflix are available in more than 190 countries and territories. How to recommender system or engine work? First is jump starting. Jump starting will ask you to choose a title you like. Second is a super seeder. Title that you watch later will exceed the title you watched in the past. Our system also put each inline in the row and then put their own line using a complicated algorithm and system to provide personal experience. In each row, there are three custom layers, which is in the choice of rows such watch, search now, award-winning comedies, and others. Design approach of the recommender system: first offline, second nearline, third online. Offline is a process where the amount of data is less controlled and the computational complexity of the algorithm is also less restricted. A nearline process is capable of performing computation type online but does not involve in the real time. Furthermore, model training in system architecture is another calculation method that uses existing data. For the online computing can respond well to current event and user interaction. However, it must respond to real time to the user requirement. Algorithm of the recommender system. What is algorithm? Algorithm is problem-solving procedure or formula based on a sequence of actions specified. For example, a search engine algorithm takes relevant and operator search string as input, searches for relevant web page in its associated database. Choosing metric for AOB testing. NAZIHAH designed their AOB test to give each member in the test for their duration a consistent product experience. Second, to test cell size for statistical validity. NAZIHAH use statistics as a guide for determining whether they have sufficient data. Alternative metric. NAZIHAH could use a lot of other possible metrics such as time to play first session without a play, day with a play, number of abandoned play, and more. For test audience, typically one to group of members, the test algorithm changes existing members and new members. Component of the recommender system or engine. First, continuous build framework turns code into AMIS. Second, AWS account for test and production. Third, cloud access gateway. Fourth, service registry. 5 as configuration property service. 6 as a persistent services. 7. Monitoring, alert forwarding. Last but not least is backups and archive. Database of the recommender system or engine. As Netflix streaming service Watch now has grown, the company needs to rethink its data strategy and storage to addressing the workload of balance being managed in the cloud. 7 reasons why Netflix use Cassandra database. First, as it is extremely scalable. Netflix is a very large production span from Cassandra, which accounts for 2,500 nodes, 420 TB. Second, it is proven solution. A free and open NoSQL database management system, Cassandra has proven itself many times. Third, it is strong on performance. Cassandra is considered good to consistently override other and/or SQL solutions in the benchmark. Fourth, it is a decentralized database technology. Many Apache Cassandra's appeal has no single failure point, and there is no network congestion. It is a big flexibility. Organizations like Netflix love the fact that the two-dimensional architecture of the superfamily rarely used for rich data model, and it is great for multiple geography. Growing business like Netflix look for Cassandra's geographic capabilities as one plus one global cluster simultaneously. Lastly, it is professionally supported. Apache Cassandra is supported by several specialist technical firms and managed service providers, and a good choice for startups that focus on growth. Conclusion. As conclusion, system is really good because we can give user many suggestions that are related to their needs. It will spread the information out, such as in Netflix, user can choose much kind of movies in the suggestion list. It helps users to choose wisely and give them many ideas and more knowledge. Internet users do not have to waste their time to see and sit and show the thing they do not like. Besides, all the user will fit their personalized experience. However, this system is really good of practical exploration of the user need and it is also can demand an off target user.